cloud. It's about the clarity, the healing without the haze, pure restoration.
No static in the signal, no pressure in the mind. Just the gentle rhythm of the peace I need to find. I'm calling on AC/DC, let the tension drift away, keeping me steady through the heat of the day. High on the healing, but my feet stay on the ground. Nerve pain, silence, yeah, I'm lost in the sound. It's the therapy of nature, the chemical truth, giving back the energy and reclaiming my youth. It's the CBD, the medicine for the soul. No psychoactive fire, just making me whole. From the seed to the tincture, let the spirit be free. Pure restoration, yeah, yeah, it's all that I need. Now let's talk about Charlotte's Web, the gift for the child. Quiet for the brain when the storm is running wild. Stopping every seizure, bringing light to the dark. A revolutionary plant with the heavenly spark. Then there's catatonic, keeping muscles in check. Take the weight of the world off the back of my neck. Anti-inflammatory, cooling down the fire. Lifting up the wellness, taking me higher.
No paranoia, no heavy head, just the harlequin flower, where the anxiety is dead, just pure relief.
Showers from Nami washing over the pain, clearing out the debris, refreshing the brain. It's for the athlete's joints and the elders' bones. The frequency of wellness in the melodic tones. From the rainbow's gift to the earthy pennywise, the truth of the medicine is right before our eyes. You don't have to lose yourself to find your way back. That's the beauty of the CBD track. The CBD of the CBD track. No psychoactive fire, just making me whole. From the seed to the tincture, let the spirit be free. Pure restoration, yeah, it's all that I need.
Yeah, clear mind, body at rest. Nature knows best. The CBD script. Peace.